Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about changing your background on your computer. Specifically, we're going to be working on Windows. Now, the settings might be different on different operating systems like Mac or Google Chrome, but basically the website I show you, you'll be able to download your images from there, and they're free and they're really nice images. So the first thing you're going to do on Windows is you're going to go on your desktop and you're going to right click, go to display settings, and you're going to get your number, which is 1920 by 1033 for me. So I'm going to close this. We don't need that anymore. I'm going to go to this website. It's one of my favorite websites for backgrounds. It's called Pexels.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So we can go through here and choose whatever we want. If we want to choose some type of color, let's say we want color red. We can get anything red with a red color. We could say any of these colors, like let's say blue. We could say this is a really nice picture. So we're going to click on it. We're going to click on this arrow here or hover over it. We're going to click on custom size. We're going to choose our actual size for our screen. So 1920, 1033. That's what I have on mine. You can do free download. You don't have to worry about anything else. And then you're going to see the image downloaded here. Okay, so we're going to close this. We don't need this anymore now. And what you can do is go over to your downloads, and you can just right click on it and set as desktop background. And that's it. You now have your new background. So yeah, this was a quick one. Just thought people might want to know how to do this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like if you did, and subscribe for more content like this, how-to tutorials, and see you next time. Thanks. Bye.